For me, it definitely feels like, at least speaking to us as parents, was not a priority until now.
Parents of the E. coli patients from the Calgary daycare outbreak are speaking out after the public health officials on Tuesday revealed in a press conference that they found 3 critical violations at the central kitchen that was serving these Calgary daycares.
Now, I want to be absolutely clear that this has been an extraordinary outbreak, both in terms of the numbers and the severity. It is certainly the largest E. coli outbreak in Alberta that I'm aware of.
In a press conference on Tuesday, Alberta Minister of Health said AHS has updated parents and public since declaring the outbreak, and we're waiting to collect more information to address it publicly.
AHS has been focused on making sure they provide excellent care to our children, to those children that have been most affected and their families, and also on the investigation side.
Alberta Children's Hospital has seen a huge influx of patients requiring care. AHS says the number of lab-confirmed cases of E. coli connected to this outbreak has reached 264 on Tuesday, 33 more from the day before.
As I noted, some of those are there for fluids. With vomiting, diarrhea can be hard to keep up, and so they'll need IV fluids. Some have required transfusions, as it can cause a drop in their hemoglobin and cause anemia. And we've had a small subset that have gone on to require dialysis.
AHS says an inspection of the central kitchen on September 5th has revealed violations related to food handling, sanitation, and pest control. While 4 daycare locations have been allowed to reopen, the closure orders for the remaining 7 facilities will be rescinded on September 12th, only after health officials confirm it is safe to do so.
This kitchen remains closed and will only reopen once we are absolutely satisfied that it is safe.
But the families of E. coli patients like Sarah McDonald are concerned with the way these kitchens operate, even after past violations.
There needs to be something vastly different with our system if this is how we are holding kitchens accountable, because I don't know why any of these kitchens would be motivated to keep up with regulations when there are no consequences.
Public health officials say they continue to investigate the cause of the outbreak to determine the source of contamination. They say the results of the investigation will inform additional steps that may be needed to ensure this type of situation doesn't happen again. In Calgary, Silvia Naranjo, City News.